Can the overnight roach extermination techniques harm pets or other animals in the house?
Hello everyone. Today we're discussing a very important topic that touches on the health and safety of our beloved pets and other animals in our households. Specifically, we're going to delve into the question, can overnight roach extermination techniques harm pets or other animals in the house?
What are common roach extermination techniques?
To start, it's crucial to understand the common techniques used in roach extermination. The most typical methods include roach baits, spray pesticides, and insecticide dusting. These methods contain chemicals designed to kill roaches, and they can remain active for days, weeks, or even months after application.
Can these techniques be harmful to pets?
The straightforward answer is yes, these techniques can be harmful to pets and other animals. Many pesticides and insecticides contain chemicals that can be toxic to animals if they are ingested, inhaled, or come into contact with their skin. Pets, especially dogs and cats, are prone to exploring their environments, which may lead them to areas where these chemicals have been applied. Ingestion of roach bait or insecticide dust, for instance, can lead to symptoms ranging from drooling, vomiting, and diarrhea to more severe cases that include tremors, seizures, and even death. Contact or inhalation can also cause skin, eye, or respiratory irritation.
How can you keep your pet safe?
Now that we know these techniques can be harmful, the question becomes, how can we keep our pets safe during roach extermination? The best strategy is to prevent your pets from coming into contact with these chemicals in the first place. Pesticides should be used judiciously, and ideally only in areas that your pets can't access. Also, if possible, try to opt for non-chemical methods of roach control, like traps, or use pet-safe pesticides. It's also important to keep all bait stations, traps, and application areas clean and to check them regularly to ensure your pets haven't disturbed them. In conclusion, while roach extermination techniques are effective at dealing with roaches, they do come with potential risks for our pets and other animals in the house. Therefore, it's vital to exercise caution and use these products responsibly to keep our furry friends safe. Remember, their health and safety are as important as maintaining a pest-free home. Stay informed and keep your pets safe. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful.